User roles are foundational in Salesforce. They drive reporting hierarchies, data visibility, and how the business actually understands performance. But over time, it's common for users to be created or migrated without a role, and that creates silent governance gaps. In Coennect, I head to the Data Access category and open the User Roles dashboard, which gives me visibility into how role hierarchy is actually being used across my orgs. This table right here, Users with no user roles, is critical from a governance perspective. These are active users who exist outside the role hierarchy entirely. Why does this matter? Users without roles break reporting accuracy, distort roll-ups, and weaken territory and management visibility. From a governance standpoint, every user should have a defined place in the organizational hierarchy. Otherwise, you lose confidence in dashboards, forecasts, and downstream analytics. Instead of manually exporting users and checking org by org, I can just ask Cohen, how many users don't have a user role per org? Now I immediately know where governance gaps exist and which orgs need attention first. This improves audit readiness, strengthens reporting trust, and ensures every user is aligned to the enterprise operating model. That's how Coennect helps admins turn access visibility into real governance confidence.